Hello all, welcome to my channel The Games Miniature Toys. Today we are going to unbox this beautiful looking vintage car 62 Corvette then and now. So let us open the pack and see how does this look like. See this beautiful looking car. This is grayish color, so beautiful front grille, and interiors are white, gray body with two strips on the top. There is no color in the tail light, so headlights are also plain, so they should have given some coloring to the headlight. Wheels are plastic with metallic borders and some number 2 printed on the door. Chassis is plastic with metallic finish, or I can say metallic coating on the plastic. So this also looks beautiful, shiny plastic. If you like the unboxing of this 62 Corvette then and now vintage car, so if you like the video, do subscribe, share with your friends. See you in the next unboxing video. Until then, bye.